Santa Clara Canyon isn't explored by very many people because there's no road to the top, but there is a hiking trail. So, let's go for a hike. After a grueling half-mile hike through an overgrown remains of the road, we see the sad history of the canyon. Over 100 years ago, some miners built a road all the way up to this village, and then they built the village, only to find no gold. That's enough of a history lesson. Let's hike up to these trees and have a good lunch. Thanks for joining me on my hike. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of what we do.